Coming up, how Chemring Energetics UK helped the Portuguese Navy sink one of its unwanted warships off the coast of Madeira to boost tourism and the local economy. Hello. Like all the best ideas, it seems so simple. Use explosives to blow holes in an old ship. It drifts down to the ocean bed and becomes a magnet for diving enthusiasts. Between 2012 and 2014, the Portuguese Navy did just this. 2 miles off the Algarve, it sank 4 of its old vessels to create the Ocean Revival Underwater Park. Despite the success of the project, the Portuguese Navy had reservations about the effectiveness of the explosives it had been using. But a solution was at hand. Members of its specialised ordnance disposal diving team had already worked with Chemring Energetics' world-leading SABREX explosive product. They had seen its flexibility and effectiveness firsthand during training in the UK. They had also met the staff who had helped develop the product and who were available to advise on the best way to use it. So when the time came for the next stage of the Ocean Revival project near the island of Madeira, the Portuguese Navy turned to Chemring Energetics UK. The 1970s corvette General Pereira, 75 metres long and weighing 1,438 tonnes, was to be scuttled off the island of Porto Santo, part of the Madeiran archipelago. SABREX is a cutting charge which harnesses explosive energy to produce a highly stable, precise and efficient linear-shaped cutting jet. It can be used on a range of materials including brick, glass and thick steel, and is suitable for defence and commercial use. It is also highly effective underwater. Everything was going to plan until it was discovered that during its preparation for sinking, more equipment had been removed from the ship than expected. It meant that the General Pereira was lighter than planned for and sitting higher out of the water. As a result, some of the places where SABREX was initially fitted were now above the surface of the sea and jeopardising the operation. But Plan B rapidly swung into action. Due to its unique design, the SABREX was able to be moved and reapplied below the waterline, and despite the very heavy seas, the scuttling went ahead. Perfectly balanced, the corvette sank precisely as planned and slowly came to rest 30 metres down on the ocean bed, exactly as required. Divers inspecting the wreck discovered that SABREX had performed faultlessly, cutting through the thick steel with incredible precision. One of the Portuguese naval officers in charge of the project said there were many positive aspects of SABREX compared to the previous explosives they had used. He said, "In my opinion, SABREX is the perfect explosive charge." Matt Harmon of Chemring Energetics said, "This was truly a first for us and we're extremely proud to be associated with supporting the Portuguese in this endeavour." The Portuguese government is confident that the Ocean Revival project will increase tenfold the number of dives off its waters from the current 10,000 a year. Diving trips and holidays already generate an income of €70 million, and it is hoped that the unique nature of the underwater attractions will encourage visitors to Portugal all the year round. And it seems certain that Chemring Energetics UK will continue to play a key role in this innovative way of recycling military hardware, sustaining the local economy and preserving the natural environment. In fact, the Portuguese Navy has already been in touch to discuss another underwater project using SABREX to be undertaken in 2017.